delicious evenings. Master your English through cooking dinner. Hello, dear learners. Today we have a fascinating topic to cover. Cooking dinner. We are going to learn some useful vocabulary and phrases related to cooking that you can use in your evening routine. Don't worry if you're not a master chef, because it's all about improving your English skills while having fun in the kitchen. So, let's dive right in. In any language, vocabulary is the key to effective communication. Let's start by learning some important words related to cooking dinner. 1. Ingredients. These are the materials that you use to cook your meal. 2. Recipe. A list of ingredients and instructions on how to cook a meal. 3. Cookware. The different kinds of pots, pans, and utensils you use when cooking. 4. Stove. This is where you heat up your food. 5. Oven. A large appliance that cooks food by heating it up to high temperatures. For example, tonight, I am following a new recipe, and I need a variety of ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Now that we have our vocabulary ready, let's look at some common sentences and phrases you might use while cooking dinner. 1. I need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. 2. Could you please stir the soup for me? 3. I am slicing the vegetables for the salad. 4. Remember to wash the fruits before eating. 5. The recipe says to sauté the onions until they are brown. In order to understand how these vocabulary words and phrases work in conversation, let's go through a short dialogue. Person A. What's on the menu for tonight's dinner? Person B. I'm trying a new recipe. We're having pasta with a homemade tomato sauce. Person A. Sounds delicious. Do you need any help? Person B. Yes. Could you please dice the tomatoes and mince the garlic for me? In this dialogue, we see some additional action words like dice and mince, which refer to different ways of cutting ingredients. Thank you for joining me today in our English language learning journey through the kitchen. I hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more comfortable discussing and taking part in the process of cooking dinner in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these new words and phrases in your daily conversations. Keep cooking and keep learning. See you in the next video.